My Bunkaroo's a mess. Yes, she is. She's so rotten. Mama's gotta hold her head. She's gonna fall off the couch. Are you sleepy, Pumpkin? Are you ready for night-night? Oh, I love you. What's that noise? You're not asleep. Are you snoring awake? Huh?